improve your health, so you've made a point to add nutritious foods like fruits, veggies and whole grains to your diet. Great start. But you shouldn't just eat healthfully, you should eat smart. Everything you put into your body is essentially a tool in your disease-fighting arsenal, and picking the very best weapons is paramount. So, what exactly are the best dietary weapons of choice? Any food that can help you look and feel great now, and protect the future you from a variety of women's health concerns ranging from breast cancer and heart disease to saggy skin and brittle bones. Since there are a lot of potential candidates on supermarket shelves, we've dug through the science to find out which ones offer that extra edge. All 7 foods below are delicious and powerful allies for your health and weight loss efforts for years to come. Continue watching to learn what they are and how often you should eat them. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like mackerel, herring and wild salmon owe their super health promoting powers to their high omega-3s and vitamin D content. In fact, it's those very nutrients that help fatty fish aid weight loss efforts. The vitamin D keeps hunger and cravings in check, while the omega-3s slow the rate of digestion, which boosts feelings of satiety and crushes appetite, helping you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Regularly consuming fatty fish can also decrease your odds of dying from heart disease by more than 33%. What's more, the powerful fatty acids can keep inflammation at bay and, in turn, help lower the risk of arthritis, a condition commonly associated with pain and stiffness. How much you need: eat fatty fish at least 2 times a week to ensure a steady supply of its protective nutrients. A cooked serving is considered to be 3.5 ounces, while a serving of flaked fish is about 3/4 cup. 2. Walnuts. Believe it or not, 1 in 3 American women dies of heart disease every year, and 90% of women have 1 or more risk factors for developing cardiovascular disease, an umbrella term that refers to a range of heart conditions such as stroke and heart attack. Protecting your most vital organ is as simple as adding some walnuts to your daily diet. The heart-shaped nut is brimming with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that can help keep you safe. One recent study found that munching on 2 ounces a day could significantly improve blood flow to and from the heart in just 8 weeks without causing weight gain. Health experts also say that the powerful nut can lower cholesterol levels and promote a better night's rest, which can help keep you trim. How much you need: 2 ounces daily. Enjoy them solo as a snack or add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. 3. Beans. You already knew that beans are rich in fiber, the nutrient responsible for the legume's cholesterol-lowering effects, but have you heard that the musical fruit can diminish PMS symptoms like 24/7 hunger, water retention and mood swings? It's true, and it's all thanks to their high levels of magnesium. The mineral helps the body flush out water and can also boost serotonin levels, the hormone that keeps mood stable and appetite in check. How much you need: 3 cups a week of no salt added varieties. Use beans as salad and baked sweet potato toppers, use them to make veggie burgers, add them to soups, or combine them with corn, olive oil and cilantro to make a quick chip dip.